Welcome. In this video I will show you how the file path system works. For this I will create one file in the parent folder named tutorial and save as file o.html. I will write some code. This is file o in parent folder. Now I will create one more folder in the parent folder named folder A. So you see this is the new folder we have created, which is now empty. I will create one file here and name as file a.html. In this file also I will write some code. I have written is this is file A in folder A. Okay, now I want to approach this file A which is kept in the folder A from the folder which is kept in the parent folder. Okay, so for this in the file O I will give anchor tag and we'll just simple write the path file A for understanding purpose. Okay, understand this file we have kept in the folder A. Okay, and right now we are approaching from the file O which is in the parent folder, so different folders there. So we will see what result is coming. So we are in the parent folder and we will click link to go to the file A. So you see this object not found means file not found because the local server is searching the file A in the parent folder itself. So this is wrong because this file A is in the folder A, not in the parent folder. So we have to modify the code. We have to write here folder A and then /. So now local server will search folder A first in the parent folder and then file A. So let's see now we can approach or not. We have to give here extension also. So you see now we have approached file A which is kept in the parent folder. So from this address bar you can see also this parent folder tutorial, then folder and then / file A. Okay, so in this way you can approach the file in another folder. Now again I will create new folder in the parent folder and name as folder B. In this folder B which is now empty, I will create one more file and save as file b.html. Now from file B we want to approach the file A which is in another folder, means from other folder to other folder we want to approach. So for this I will copy this code of file O and simply modify it. The file B in folder B. Now in case now we are in the folder B, suppose we use this path, then we will get the error message. So let's see that also. we have to first write here folder B and then file B dot html. So we are in the folder B with file B. Now we want to go in file A, which is available in the folder A. So we have to change the folder. So now if we click this, definitely we will get the error message. Let's see what happened. So we are, of course, we are getting the error message. From the address bar you can see the local server is searching folder A inside the folder B. So which is wrong, because folder A is not available in the folder B. So this folder A is available in the parent folder tutorial. So for this we have to come out of this folder B and then go inside the folder A. For to come out of this folder B, we have to modify the code here. So as per the file path system, to come out of this folder B, we have to modify here path. So we'll put 2 dot and slash. This 2 dot and slash is helpful to jump out one folder and then search this folder A and this file. So let's see now what will happen. So we'll go back in the folder B, file B, refresh the page, and then I will click file A. So now see, we approach the file B, file A. So you can see now we approach the file A, which is kept in the folder. So what happened from the address bar, you can see here from the tutorial it directly go inside the folder A and approach the file A. So you understand, in this way the file path system is work. So whenever you have to come out of this folder, then you have to use the 2 dot and forward slash and then the folder name and the file. So in this way file path system is works. So if you like the video, then hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.